We are also very happy because we performed very well. We thank God because this was Team Antelope, and for sure it has performed quite well. Last year we had 2,400 and this year we have 22. We didn't expect to get 22 in the real sense. We expected 15 to 18 thereabout. But now we are very excited because we have 22.
I am the head teacher of St. George's Grassroots School. We have our first candidate who is Ejo Jambi, who scored 417 marks. We have realized these results as a result of teamwork and dedication in our task.
My name is Angel Jambi. I'm from St. George's Grassland. The Almighty Deity helped me to score 417. It was not by my own power but God's power.
The secret to success is first of all having faith in God, work hard, have discipline and obedience.
Kwa kweli vile niligundua mtoto wangu anafanya vizuri shuleni, nilianza kusave pesa kidogo kidogo na nina hakika nitaweza kumsomesha hadi tamati, hadi form 4. Yeah.
Kwa majina na kama mzazi niko very ready kumsomesha mpaka mahali yeye mwenyewe angetaka kusoma. I'm going to work hard to make sure that she gets what she wants in life.